The pH meter is prepared by calibrating the electrode into two different buffer solutions. One has a pH of 7 and the other has a pH of 4. In water, strong acids dissociate completely, and that leads to a reaction that is not at equilibrium. Weak acids do not dissociate in water, and that leads to an equilibrium. This happens because strong acids donate all of their protons, while weak acids do not. Remember to remove the meter and clean the electrode with distilled water before measuring the next sample. If the meter is not being used, place the meter in distilled water. Once the meter is clean, immerse the electrode in the solution and wait for the meter reading to stabilize before recording data. Once again, immerse the electrode in the solution until the meter reading stabilizes, and then proceed to record data. Always make sure to clean the meter and the electrode with distilled water. Solids and liquids are not present in the equilibrium constant because they have fixed concentrations, which will always be constant. This is because liquids and solids are practically incompressible. The molecule in liquids and solids are very close together, with very little room to squeeze any closer. As a result, it takes enormous pressure to cause even a tiny reduction in volume. For example, H2O. Its density is 1 gram per milliliter and will never change. If you put some water in a pot on your stove and heat it all the way to boiling, you will not notice an increase in the water's volume. This is because water is nearly incompressible. Always make sure to clean the meter and electrode with distilled water before unplugging and safely storing the meter.